guys, so we are at the campsite. I didn't have any time to GoPro last night because we were all rushed. But we got to bed around 11 o'clock last night. That was not fun. So here's the camp. Say hello, Brendan.
We have bear bags where we put just our food and equipment in the trees down there. We have to put those down. The adults are taking down the camp, and we have a rain tarp over there, and then everybody else is busy being lazy.
Yep.
We got awoken by howling last night. That was fun.
Yeah. So we're at Shenandoah National Park, if I already know. It is around 6:23 right now, 6:23 a.m. in the morning, and everyone's getting up.
Yes. If you find a GoPro, you'll know we got eaten by bears.
We have camped over there. We're heading toward Jeremy's Run and then the Knob Mountain Cutoff Trail, which will then lead us to Knob Mountain, which then will lead us to the campsite. So we have a 6-mile hike ahead of us. Yep, this is it. Knob Mountain Cutoff Trail. So Jeremy's Run is over there. Alright, Knob Mountain Trail is 0.5. So we've hiked 0.5 so far. 0.5 so far. So right here is Jeremy's Run. So we are now hiking the Knob Mountain Cutoff Trail toward the Knob Mountain Trail. And we got a big climb to go. I think we're at top of the ridge. Top of the Knob Mountain Ridge. Which means at some point we'll encounter the Knob Mountain Trail. Oh, here it is. Here we are at the Knob Mountain Trail. All right. Let's see here. Which way did we go? Knob Mountain Trail. 2.2 miles.
Oh my god.
Too slow? Yep.
Sup, camera?
Say hello to the camera.
Yo, camera!
The Knob Mountain Trail, heading toward the Knob Mountain Summit, which is 2.2 miles from here. And this tree is not very well maintained, so I have to watch out for poison ivy and stuff. Just to give you guys a time check, it is 1:40 p.m. It's hot out here. We're sweating our butt. I'm making the final climb up to the knob. Is this it?
Yep.
We're at Knob Mountain. That's a little view.
We're gonna have some fun.
Well, we're at Knob Mountain. There's not much of a view. You can see some of Neighbor Mountain, but looks like we're going to see some more views of Massanutten coming down this trail here. And then we'll be at Jeremy's Run, and they'll be at our campsite.
Simulator.
So we just finished we're almost done climbing down Knob Mountain Trail, so we're probably right here. I don't know, but we're supposed to, our campsite should be up there. Jeremy's Run is down here. He's all right there. So I had a lot of switchbacks. It is hot outside, everybody is tired and sweaty. So yeah. Good view of Neighbor Mountain on the right. That's probably Neighbor Mountain up there. Alright, so that's probably the peak up there. That is incredible. you look, guys, there's the run. It looks a lot bigger last time. So there's like some sort of trail right there. So let's stop here. Thought we crossed the run using this method. I don't know. But
the access road.
Oh yeah. But we crossed the run using this. I didn't GoPro this, but I mean I want it for my safety, but this is what you have to do.
I'm hoping there's a trail that goes down there.
Yeah, I mean it goes up here, kind of. But oh crap. Yeah, I almost lost my balance a few times, so that thing is really useful.
I did not fall, my pants are falling down.
Good. Oh. Yeah, unstrap yourself. Always unstrap yourself, because if you go in, the backpack goes in with you, so have to be careful about that.
My pants, like literally, I came so close. Literally, my pants fell down because I was about to fall in.
Guys, so we are at the campsite. Wait if I can get it. Okay, we're at the campsite. This is my tent. Say hello, David. Hi. So let's get a basic run out of the camp. This is my tent with David.
Yay. Connor died.
Yeah, Connor left because he had a stomach ache or something. Here's in our tent. Here is Will. Say hello to the GoPro, lol.
What's up, GoPro?
Hold on, GoPro.
So here's all the tents. All set up here. And over there is going to be the cooking area. And up far beyond that is the bear bag. But down there is a run. It's a pretty big one. So they're going to put a few of the scouts in there. Going to go filter some water.
Ooh, fancy.
Look how fancy.
Hold this, David.
No.
If you could put the cap on. Never mind.
You need the stereo pen? But you already stereo penned it.
I already straight penned it.
It's been penned. It's patent pending.
No.
Alright.
Not as big as Will.
And then I wait for it to simmer down and then I turn it on, right?
Yep.
No.
I
Should I
think,
turn it on now?
I think you can turn it on. Yep.
I put mine on.
Yes, we did it, boy.
In the water.
Alright, so now you can set the pot.
The ones that are off the side. That aren't sealed. I would ask them. They're already out. I think the blue one might be sealed.
Are you proud of me, YouTube?
Maybe.
Hey.
Hey
Okay.
guys. Hello, I hijacked from Mark. Okay, I hijacked his phone.
Okay, just so you people know, it's morning. Everyone's getting ready to go on up to Neighbor Mountain. I have my pack on.
I hijacked the GoPro. We're hiking 2 miles up a hill, like 2,000 feet elevation change. Really horrible. And then 2 miles flat, and we're at the cars. Don't you dare.
It's gonna be a good view. Well, we're almost there. We're going to see some of the good views. Oh, there's some good views, but breeze feels very nice. I'll say that. How's everybody doing? Whoa! Oh, there's Candy Peak right there.
Whoa!
You see Candy Peak right there? That's Candy Peak right there. Candy Peak. the famous hikes on the famous mountain, Massanutten. And you see that big peak right there? That's Candy Peak right there.
That was Kennedy.
That's Candy Peak.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture real quick?
Right or left?
Yeah, that big triangle right there to the right is Candy Peak. And I believe that that tall one in the middle is Duncan Knob. And to the left of that is Strickler Knob.
What was that?
Just to give you an idea, beyond this first range, you see where it kind of goes down and then comes back up again? That's Fort Valley.
Oh yeah.
So we were up at the north end of Fort Valley when we were hiking at Strickler Knob.
And I think from,
South.
and I didn't point this out to you guys at Fort Valley, but you could actually see Candy Peak from Fort Valley. I just didn't know that at the time.
Yeah, so one of the hikes I was sketching out, and it didn't quite work out, was to go into Fort Valley and hike up Duncan Knob and Strickler. I think it would take 3 solid days to do, but you could do it.
So this right here, 3 sisters. 1, 2, 3. And a little bit up the trail is Knob Mountain. So yeah, everyone's taking a break, have a little bit of snack. So yeah. Let's see here. This is it? There has to be a view.
2725. I think this is Neighbor Mountain elevation. Appalachian Trail 2 miles. Jeremy Run 2.6.
Knob Mountain. This is Knob Mountain range right here. And then we went down, we camped at where Jeremy's run is, that valley. Then we came up to Neighbor Mountain, and then we somewhere on our way to the parking lot, and now we're here. So again, right there over there is Candy Peak and Massanutten. A little bit, you can see a little bit of Fort Valley, and then the little middle peak right there is Duncan Knob, and then to the left of that, where that dip is, to the right of that is Strickler Knob. And then that town over there is Luray. So, pretty interesting sight.